wheels. Bring like something. Bring a piece of wood.
This one looks like a Patrick wheels. Did you see the Patrick?
This one looked like a Patrick wheel.
My dad's ordering a Porsche Turbo right now on the phone.
It's heavy in the front, so it goes
No,
like
you have
that.
to do just opposite.
It's still too heavy in the front.
Is it?
It's gonna sit here and then falls there.
Try like that way.
Might work. Really heavy in the front.
Patrick.
Nobody cares. You have
Is
the
it?
stupidest car in the world, bro.
It's the fastest sedan so far.
Isn't that the fastest?
No, all slow that car.
Yeah, that's fascinating. That car will eat your car for breakfast. Guys, we are in a beautiful Ferrari 488 Spider. This car, honestly, black color is the nicest color for this car. There's a lot of cool colors, obviously the grays, we've seen the reds, the yellows, all those colors, but honestly black is my favorite for this Ferrari. This 488 is gonna be a classic. This is gonna be like one of the first twin turbo cars from Ferrari. After obviously the 458, it was a 488, and this one is a prime example. This is a Spider, of course, so the hardtop convertible. Ferrari makes, in my opinion, the cleanest, nicest looking hardtop convertible cars. They look amazing up and down, so really functional. Looks great. Also check out this interior, bright red interior. It doesn't have any, you know, crazy race seats or anything like that, but it is very comfortable actually. Very comfortable seats. You can sit in them for hours, no problem. And yeah, let's talk about really what we did to this car. Mostly, obviously, exterior stuff. So this car has 21, 22-inch beautiful custom wheels in a really different finish. It has Monaco copper lips and a gunmetal center, so very different looking wheel configuration, but honestly goes really good with the black and red combination. Novitec springs obviously to set it down. The car came to us with a huge gap, obviously stock gap, so we went ahead and lowered them on Novitec, and it looks amazing, drives amazing, of course. And full Vorsteiner kit. Vorsteiner kit makes a nice kit for this car. We've done several of them, very popular. Full carbon fiber, front lower lip, the rear wing, the side skirts, and the diffuser fins on the bottom. So really minimal all around the bottom of the car, and the wing makes it look even better.
Customer here, Audi. So we're talking about Lambo, Ferrari. So I asked him, what is your favorite car? He told me it's Ferrari. And I think he mentioned saying people who cannot afford Ferrari, they buy a Lambo.
Okay, what's your point? You said it.
Let's just ask Vic. So Vic, just tell me, it's true or not? So is it true people who cannot afford Ferrari, they buy a Lambo?
What about people that buy BMWs?
To be honest, the BMW is on the top of the German cars. So we're talking about Ferrari. People who cannot afford Ferrari, do they buy a Lambo?
There's more expensive Lamborghinis than some Ferraris.
No.
So how does that make sense?
No. Best Ferrari is 15 million, 20 million, 25 million. I never seen a Lambo 20 million.
So you're only talking about the guys that could afford $50 million cars?
No, we're talking about, is that true? People
First
say
of all,
who cannot afford Ferrari, they buy a Lambo.
First of all,
true.
good luck paying your DMV registration for your car.
So that's true.
So you could barely make the payments or pay for your
I love
car.
this guy.
How much is his fees?
So, yeah, it's expensive.
$1,000.
More.
$1,000?
Yeah.
$1,000 a year and just registration.
Books. Imagine if my registration is $1,000, his car's like 2,500 more.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
He's rich.
Yeah, he's rich. He's rich. It says men over 30.
Yeah, you're definitely over 30. That's a BMW, by the way. That's a BMW.
wanna be BMW.
Okay, so we're trying asking people which car they like more, Lambo or Ferrari. So I am Ferrari, he's asking Lambo. So
I'm acting Lambo.
come on.
I have a question. What you guys pick, Lamborghini or Ferrari?
No,
Lamborghini or Ferrari? He said regular.
So funny.
Because I asked him Lamborghini or Ferrari, and he said regular. That's regular. Let's ask one more person. Guys, I have a question.
Yeah.
Would you rather pick a Lamborghini or Ferrari?
I would say Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Yes.
Let's go. So we won. Lamborghini won. Let's go. There's two places. Which hole should we put it in? What are you guys waiting for?
I'm waiting for my grandfather, Magno.
All right, guys, I am standing in front of this amazing RWB Porsche. This was years in the making, to be honest. We painted this a couple years ago, and it sit at storage with the client, and he finally wanted to finish it. It got a full brand new interior, insane interior, honestly, fully custom with houndstooth all over it, black and gray to go with this custom pistachio paint job. This is a really cool color. It's like a pistachio color, obviously that was the point of it. We installed some new headlights on it recently, cleaned up all the paint, did a little bit more paint work on it. And now we have a little bit more to go. We have to do some stuff for fitment, rubbing, because the car is slammed on a racing suspension. It's super low, and it has very aggressive wheels and tires. So really insane car. I posted that purple Daytona Violet RWB car a few days ago on my Instagram page because I was super excited to show you guys this one. Ted, my buddy, my client, owns this car. I think it's this number 6 RWB Porsche. One of them he bought ready. All the rest of them we built together with Nakai at the old RDB. So this is a truly ridiculous car. Honestly, it drives very nimble and light. It's a great driving car, and we're super excited to show you guys something very different. But yeah, there you have it, a Porsche RWB. You don't see these often anymore, and we have one right here. This is Javier's dream car.
Yeah,
It is.
it's nice.
Is it your dream car?
I like it.
What happened to your Porsche?
I sold it. I don't have a space to, keep it.
Too many cars, huh? You
Too
make
many
too much
cars.
money
Yeah,
already.
yeah.
Too much money.
No, I don't make it.
Javier says this is all-wheel drive. Are you sure?
I would drive. I've never seen a Porsche all-wheel drive like this one. I
There
think
you
it
go.
can go by East Coast maybe.
Look how low it is. I don't even think that my shoe bear doesn't even really fit. It's pretty wild.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's so easy.